we can get straight into winter storm readiness,
That's
if you will.
right, Bailey. Yeah, your first good Maine winter storm on the way for tomorrow.
Yes.
And for most of us across the state, first time seeing snow this season.
It's very exciting.
Yes.
And I hear that we should be excited for the snow rather than no snow.
I feel like if you're negative about it now, you're in for a tough winter because it's only December 1st.
Right.
So
you must be optimistic, not jaded.
I think so, and I love, festive. Like this time of year, it's festive, right?
Right.
Like by March, yeah, you're allowed to be totally sick of it. But by the way, Cam, is our mic situation good, or am I sharing a mic here with Bailey?
I maybe grab Bailey's.
Okay.
If that works.
All right.
Hey, we can share.
That's right.
Sharing
That's
is
right.
caring
You
in
know
the
what?
spirit of
It just
giving.
brings us closer together.
Tomorrow's Giving Tuesday. So
It's Giving Tuesday.
It's Giving Storm.
It's Giving Storm. That's right. All right.
Take it over.
All right. I'm snatching Bailey's mic away now, and here is what we are looking at for our storm. You can see it getting ready to move in off to our west. It will not arrive until the morning hours tomorrow, but most of the day we'll see snow tomorrow. So I would say, if you can avoid traveling tomorrow, probably a great idea to do that. But if you do need to get out and about, the morning is the best time frame for that. Now, as of this evening, very cold out there, 25 in Portland. I walked for my dinner break back to work. It was a little cold. It was not feeling great. 22 in Lewis. We're back. Mike is back. Look at that. I can. Yay. Okay, cool. All right, 25 in Portland. We're 22 in Lewiston. Look at Rangeley. 10. 8 right now in Caribou, and you can see for tonight, clear and cold. 6 for the low in Caribou, 9 in Rangeley, 18 in Portland. So very cold night. Quiet though tonight. You might even notice the halo we're seeing around the moon right now, out ahead of the storm arriving tomorrow. So let's take a look at our winter storm alerts. Anywhere in the pink is likely to see the highest totals here. Winter storm warning in place. This includes Bangor, Lewiston, Portland, Augusta, Lakes region, the entire coast of Maine as well. Notice to the north, a winter weather advisory in place. Greenville, Rangeley, Jackman, all those spots. We'll see a little bit less snow there, so not quite at warning level criteria. So here's what we know, or what you need to know about the storm tomorrow. The biggest impact will be in the late afternoon and evening. As I mentioned a moment ago, parts of the coast will mix with rain. We'll track out that rain snow line coming up here in just a second. All snow away from the coastline. In fact, 99% of us, really 95% of us, this is an all snow event. Here's that snowfall forecast. Let's dive into the totals here. Notice along the immediate coast where we do likely see some rain to start with and where accumulation is slow to begin with as we head towards the afternoon. 3 to 6 inches there. That also includes places like Cape Elizabeth, the very immediate coastline, all the way over to Booth Bay, Rockland, in that 3 to 6 inch range. Portland, still in that 6 to 9 inch range. The models that I'm seeing coming this evening seem to support that, so I'm fairly confident at this point in the forecast. And then there's that bullseye zone. Very well could be some double-digit totals. Sebago Lake, Long Lake, Naples, Bridgeton, Freiburg, Brownfield, all of those spots very much in line for upwards of 10 inches of snow. That 6 to 9 inch corridor extends up towards Bangor, Pittsfield as well into down East Maine. Along the immediate coast, Vinyl Haven, Isle Hot, all of those spots, Matinicus, maybe only a slushy inch or two as there will be rain along the coast. So as we head into tomorrow morning, fairly dry to start. You're commuting very early in the day, 6 a.m. or so. You're probably not running into many issues, really not until noontime. That's when we'll start to see the accumulation really ramping up. So it's fairly light snow in the morning. Here we are noontime. Notice the snow has overspread most of us at this point. Also notice some of that rain along the coast, 40 degrees in Rockland. You can see a little bit of that milder air working in. Portland should see mostly snow. I wouldn't be shocked if some rain mixes in the Portland area, and I don't think we'll get much accumulation until the sunset time frame, so 4 o'clock or so. But once that happens, it should start to come down pretty quickly. By the mid to late afternoon, that snow really picks up in intensity. It's heavy through the evening hours, and if you're seeing rain along the coast, I do expect a changeover. I think that almost everybody in the state will get snow. I just think that along some coastal areas, it will be very little. Beyond that, the snow wraps up after midnight. Looks like 1, 2, 3 in the morning. It's coming to an end for most. Just keep an eye out for those lingering icy spots, with 8 inches of snow. It's not going to be cleaned up immediately. Beyond that, cold air moves in for the end of the week. It's going to be frigid on Friday. Look at that start on Friday morning, 4 degrees. The weekend looks chilly as well. Chance of some afternoon snow Saturday. Doesn't look like anything major at this point. Another shot of Arctic air early next week. Very cold start to December. It's been a while since we've had a December that started out like this, Bailey. So yeah, snow on the way. Gonna be a busy day tomorrow.
Busy day tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
Busy day for you in particular. Wow. I mean, seeing those single digits is really just,
I know.
I can't get over it.
It's painful. I know. And up in the mountains below 0 in many spots a couple days heading into next week. So
Crazy stuff.
yeah.
Stick along on this journey
That's
this
right.
week.
Winter
All right.
is, punching us in the face to start.
For sure.